This is the best chicken I have ever made. My kids loved it. It was super easy and you guys need to try it out. Put some thinly sliced chicken breasts in a baking dish, season them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then spread on some Rayo's marinara sauce all over that chicken. Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Take it out of the oven, add on some freshly shredded mozzarella cheese and some fresh mozzarella cheese if you love it as much as I do, and then just stick it under the broiler for a few minutes.
Blackened chicken bites. Bite-size your chicken, mix it up with all of these seasonings, avocado oil, air fry at 400 for about 10 minutes, dip in some ranch, and oh my gosh. Hey! Take some marinara, chicken breast, seasonings, bake it, add mozzarella, pepperoni, and this is so good.
This is the juiciest, crispiest lemon pepper chicken with a secret ingredient that takes 2 minutes to prep. Let's go. Season the chicken and measure everything with your heart. I'm using salt, lemon pepper, oregano, garlic powder, avocado oil, and secret ingredient, yogurt. Massage it and let it marinate for at least an hour. I'm air frying mine, but you could also bake it in the oven. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more.
Take Caesar dressing, chicken breast, bake it, add provolone, parmesan, and this is so good. Let's make a 3-ingredient Caesar chicken bake. First thing you're going to do is take some creamy Caesar dressing and mix it with shredded Parmesan. Add it to some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Top with more Parmesan. Bake at 375 for about 35 minutes. Garnish with some parsley. Cut it into squares. And oh my gosh, this is so
New keto formula triggers fat burning ketosis and helps you lose weight way more faster. Read description.